On today's show, man, we've got a great meal planned. It is a pan-seared and baked chili lime rubbed dolphin fillet, and we're going to serve that with some coconut lime rice and some fresh seared corn. Welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. Man, we've got everything right here. So why don't we go ahead and get started on our meal right now. Let's get started on our chili lime rub. Man, we've got everything we need right here to get that sucker underway. We've got black pepper and white pepper, some salt. We've got garlic powder, onion powder, some cayenne pepper. We've got paprika. We've got chili powder. We've got some oregano, lime juice powder. We've got ground thyme and dried thyme leaves, and of course we've got ourselves a lime. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to come in here and we're going to mix everything together just like this. Nothing exciting, nothing unique. We're just going to add everything we have right into our converted coffee grinder, which is now my spice grinder. So check that out. Everything just going right in. Boom. Boom. Just like that. Whoop. Okay. The lime juice powder doesn't want to come out of there. So there we are. Now, we're going to come in, grab ourselves a zester, and we're going to add some fresh lime zest right into our spice grinder. So what we've got is just about the zest of a standard lime. But check that out. We are, oh man, that's some good stuff right there. We're good to go. We're almost done with our rub. I'm going to come in, we're going to cover this up, and all we want to do is give this, I don't know, 3-4 pulses at about a second long. 1, 2, and now I'm going to give, I'm going to give it a little shake, get everything kind of moved around. That wasn't quite a second, but that's fine. And that's it. That's going to be our rub. So real quick, let's get this out of the way. Just like this. Replace those with a plate, like so. Come in here, I'm going to unplug that. And let's see what we got. Oh my. Ooh, boy, that smells good. So here we go. There it is, that right there. Ooh, got a little bit of, okay, that's okay. A little bit of lime juice powder. Didn't quite get incorporated, but you see where we're going. But check that out. Man, that right there is our chili lime rub that will go on fish, pork, chicken, beef, you name it, right there. See what we got. That's some pretty good stuff right there. Now, it's time to get to our pan-seared baked chili lime rub dolphin fillets. Check it out. We got a couple of small dolphin fillets right here. We've got our rub we made a few minutes ago. Now it's time for us to bring our sides and our main together for one meal. Right now I've got this my little pan, oven safe pan, on pretty good heat, medium high heat, bringing that thing up to temperature. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to hit these with a little bit of salt, just like so. Come back just a tad more. Don't need a lot because we do have some salt right there in our rub. Come in with a little bit of olive oil, just like so. Don't need a lot. Just about that right there. Get that up and swirl it around, just like so. All right, we got it nice swirled around. We got our heat up. Now, first thing we're going to do, we're going to come in very quickly and we're going to quickly sear our dolphin, just like so. All right, we've got everything searing. We're trying not to let them touch. I mean, this probably about a minute on each side right now. We're going to come in, we're going to flip it, just like so, both of them, for about another minute, and then we're going to coat those in our chili lime rub, just like that. All right, now I'm going to come in side down, one piece, just like that, and come in with our second piece. If he's going to play right, that's a little warm. Okay, no problem, no problem. Just like that. Yes, now I'm going to come in and, whoop, that's a little too much, but that's okay, it's going to be good. Now I'm going to come back in, and I'm going to put that side back down to begin to sear those good flavors right in there, just like that. Okay, just, oh man, wow, those smells just, the minute they heat it up, oh wow, what an unbelievable smell. This is going to be so good. All right, now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to bring this over here, and I'm just going to cover the top of the fillets with a little bit of the ChiliLime Rub, just like so. All right, now I'm going to come in and we're going to give it a flip. Oh, heck yeah. That on that side. I didn't plan it that way. That on that side. Look at that. That is going to be good. A little bit of that. Now, come in. We're going to put our fish in the oven. It's 350 degrees, and we're going to bake it for about 4 minutes, and we're going to be done, ready to plate. It is time to begin plating. I've got our rice, I've got our corn. It is now time to bring out our dolphin. Oh man, check that out right there. That looks awesome. It really does. Go ahead and get that. Oh, by the way, remember that pan, that handle is El Hato. So why don't we come in, I tell you what, let's see, I'm going to come in with this guy first, just like that. Drop him right through here. Grab this, get that out of the way, put this one about right there. Oh man, check that out. Holy cow. Man, that is awesome. I tell you what we can do, we'll come in here and roll us a lime. Gotta find us a knife, make a little bit of noise, sorry. We'll come in, do this, and that, yes. Like so, be careful, and voila, man, we're gonna come in, add a couple of little pieces of lime to it, just like that. I don't know, what the heck. Now right here we are. How about that, man? That looks great right there, man. How about that? Simple, easy. You know, it takes a little bit of time to put everything together, but man, that chili lime sauce rub, that thing went together just like that. Our rice, our corn, you know, the simple, there were 7 ingredients each for those side dishes, but man, how about that? That's quick, simple, it's gonna be delicious. Hey, right down here, you ever heard of frogmore stew? That's some good stuff. We got a video for you. And hey, right here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I tell you all what, until next time, God bless, and we'll see you soon.